battle tank is MBT Arjun, and we are going to look in this part on the contribution of Israel in developing defense and some enhancement in this tank. MBT Arjun is a third generation battle tank, which is the front runner battle tanks of India. This battle tank runs at a speed of 70 km per hour. It has 4 crew members, and we are going to look at different aspects here on how Israel has aided in increasing the defense of these tanks. Now we are also going to look at Lahat missile, LAHAT, and its importance for these tanks. Warning control system and laser warning countermeasure, and also battlefield management system. Now these were the aspects where India required help to develop the indigenous MBT tanks that were in the front line. As compared to T-90, they are heavy, but they are made indigenously. So the battlefield management and developing defenses for these tanks have been quite important. So after the core structure of the tank, how you manage it internal, how you manage the technology becomes very important. And in this respect, the Israeli company Elbit Limited has played an important role. In the later part, we are going to understand how Elbit works, their multiple and their financials, and the difference as compared to Indian manufacturing companies. Jammers, then we have the smoke bombs and other laser guided countermeasure systems. These are the technologies that are very important when we think about these tanks, and this is where Elbit has helped a lot in the MBT tanks. So the technological part to get the enhancement of battlefield management, again that is one thing where Elbit has helped to increase the technologies for these tanks. Deals between India and Israel, and things started accelerating in 2004. In this part, we are going to look at some of the bigger deals that happened starting from 2004, and our focus would be on the deals that were of big size or the deals that were of prime importance for the security of India. W, also known as early warning systems, AWACS, and this thing started in 2004. Now in 2004, there was a trilateral deal between India, Israel and Russia. This deal was around $1 billion US. And since we know that Israel has an expertise of upgrading and maintaining the Soviet artillery and technology, so in that respect, this was really a major breakthrough where three parties came together. The AWACS were delivered to India in 2009, and the other two were delivered in 2010. India plans to buy 3 more of these AWACS from Israel. And Indians call them MRSAM. Then we have a Spider air defense system. Now these things and these technologies were developed by Rafael and Israeli aerospace company, and these were really the major breakthroughs. Now these missiles and air defense system are important because when we look at ship or when we look at protection from a distance of like 70 kilometers for a ship or for our other installation, these air defense system plays a very important role. In the coming part, we can link how Rafael and the Israeli aerospace industries IAI work, and we'll also look at cockpit angle in a later part. But it's important that their major focus here on some of the bigger deals were in Barak and Spider air defense system. M8023, and they are fire control radars which are manufactured by Elta, an Israeli company. Now these radars are quite important, and this deal size was again a 600 million deal that happened between India and Israel. This is again one of the big deals that happened post 2004. And these radars are can detect the heat and can detect specific aspects of installations of the enemy, and can help us to make precision strike in the enemy territory.